This looks so refreshing. Guys, it is so delicious. You outdo yourself, my wife. So delicious. I can taste all the lemon in it. It's so refreshing. This guy.
Hey guys, welcome back again to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again and I'm going to make lemonade. Okay, I have 5 lemon here, 4 lime and 1 orange. And I'm going to mix it with brown sugar, sweeten it with brown sugar. Okay, outside is very hot and this I know it is good for the immune system. Very good. Better than water. To keep you hydrated. Very good. And here is my juicer. I'm going to juice my lemon and then my fruits. So I'm just going to juice them, okay? I'm just going to cut and put down. Okay. All right, here goes my juicer. This is the orange. I finished squeeze my lemon, my lime and my 1 orange. Look how much I get. It's just gonna be so nice. I add it to it and I'm adding 4.5 cup of water. Yes, that is 4 cup. This is another 1/2 cup. That's right, and this is my cup of sugar. I'm gonna mix it together. I'm using brown sugar, but this is lemonade. I'm using brown sugar. You can use any sugar you want, white, brown, or you can use honey. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste and see how it tastes. Oh Lord, just need a cup with some ice. Guys, because the reason why my juice is so dark, I use brown sugar. Okay? You can use your white sugar, but this is brown sugar. Okay. Wow. Nice. Okay. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. I'm gonna call my husband to take a taste. Ozzy,
Yes, honey.
we're here. Come and drink some lemonade. I know his sun is very hot.
It's so refreshing and looking nice. This looks so refreshing. Guys, it is so delicious. You outdo yourself, my wife. It's so delicious. I can taste all the lemon in it. It's so refreshing. Yes, guys.
Okay, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.